Which data manipulation command is used to combine the records from one or more tables? A. Select. B. Project. C. Join. D. Product. And correct answer is option C. Join. The SQL join command is responsible for combining records from one or more tables. The join command also locates related column values in the tables being joined. Which of the following is not a valid aggregate function? A. Count. B. Compute. C. Sum. D. Max. And correct answer is option B. Compute. Compute is not a valid aggregate function. The valid aggregate functions in SQL are count, sum, average, min, max, and a few others depending on the specific SQL implementation. Compute is not a recognized aggregate function in SQL. Which operator is used to compare a value to a specified list of values? A. Any. B. Between. C. All. D. In. And correct answer is option D. In. The in operator is used to compare a value to a list of literal values that have been specified. The like operator is used to compare a value to similar values using wildcard operators. What operator tests column for absence of data? A. Not operator. B. Exists operator. C. Is null operator. D. None of the above. And correct answer is option C. Is null operator. The null operator is the operator checking the column for the absence of data. The explanation for this response is that the null operator is being used in the database to show that a certain region is blank. If we have not specified SC or DSC after a SQL order by clause, the following is used by default. A. DSC. B. SC. C. There is no default value. D. None of the mentioned. And correct answer is option B. SC. If we have not specified any sorting with the order by clause, SQL always uses the ASC as a default sorting order.